watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Scrappy Doo from Scooby Doo. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Now, before I get into the supplies, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, you should go subscribe right now. Awesome. Well, a few supplies we'll need as always includes a blank piece of drawing paper and a black Sharpie or pencil to draw with. We will need a few different colors today. We will need a yellow, a light pink, a orange, a off green blue, and last but not least, a caramel color. I think we'll do really great in this drawing. Let's go try to draw Scrappy Doo. Let's see what we can come up with. For the first step in making Scrappy Doo, we're going to begin by making a triangle-like shape for the nose. Now let's go ahead and fill that thing in completely black. Great, now we're going to make a couple curved lines connecting to the nose. Now we're going to move up above the nose where we will make a curved line. Then we're going to connect that line down to the nose. Awesome, now we're going to make Scrappy Doo's right ear. Once we complete the right ear, we're going to hop over to the left side where we will make the left ear. Fantastic, now we're going to make a line coming down from the left side which will connect to the body. A little to the right of the line that we just made, we're going to begin to make Scrappy Doo's left arm and hand. Okay, so the next step will be to make Scrappy Doo's collar. So we're going to make one line going up and then we're going to make one line going across. It's almost similar to a rectangular-like shape. Scrappy's collar will look similar to a rectangular-like shape. Great, now we're going to begin to make the lower body. So we're going to make one line coming from the right side that's going to curve inward. Over to the left, we're going to make the left leg and foot. Once we finish this left foot, we're going to hop over to the right side where we will do the same thing that we just did to the left side. Wow, this is coming out very well. Now we're going to make the right hand on the right side of the body. We're almost finished. Now we're going to begin to make the eyebrows. Once we finish the eyes, we're going to move a little bit lower back down where we will make the tail for Scrappy Doo. This is how to draw Scrappy Doo. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now color in your Scrappy Doo with us.